How to remove background and erase objects using Microsoft Photos without the internet. First, push the cursor to Edit button. Then select the background, which looks like the green screen icon. Background is being processed for removal. Select Remove and save as copy. Ensure the file is saved as PNG. Background has been removed as expected. Now let's move to erasing objects. Shift the mouse to the Edit button again. Select Erase button for object removal. Adjust brush size depending on the object you want to remove. Gently erase that object and watch the results. And the object has been removed as expected. Save as copy and that's all.